everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome to Back to School Week or Back to Homeschool Week. All week long I'm going to be sharing our plans and the curriculum that we will be using for the upcoming school year. So the 2024-2025 school year. I have already shared our summer plans leading up to the next school year. Yesterday, I shared an unboxing of all of the curriculum we will be using this year and some extra goodies that I got that we might incorporate this year, or we might keep on going with some of the curriculum and get to it the next year. So if you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old who is going into the 4th grade, a 7-year-old who is going into the 2nd grade, and I have a 4-year-old who is like preschool, pre-K, not kindergarten this year, but kindergarten the following year. So I'm getting her ready for that. And then I have a 1-year-old. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 4th grade picks. And I will have a playlist linked down below as well, and links to all of the videos that I'm sharing this week, so you can go check them out later, and I will add them to the playlist as we go along, and you can watch them all now or you can watch them at the end of the week. But today is a 4th grade picks, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you what we will be using and focusing on. So let's talk spelling. So we are switching things up this year and doing a little bit different. I do have All About Spelling, which we have been doing for a while, and I might still go back to that and pull it out. We would probably start like level 2, maybe level 3. We got through a little bit of level 2, but now I just want to try something different. So we are going to be doing the Building Spelling Skills by Evan Moore, grade 4. If you watched my summer plans video, we have gone back and we are working on the grade 1 book just to make sure they have it. They're having a lot of fun with it. It's super simple, but I just want to make sure that they have the basic words down. For reading, my 9-year-old is doing really well. He's going to be working through All About Reading level 3. Level 2 took us a little bit longer, so we are still working through level 3, and he's just flying through the lessons. So I'm sure we will get to level 4 this year or next year, but honestly, he's reading things beyond this. Like, he's doing really well, and he's reading chapter books and all of that, but this is just to keep up with that and teach him the rules and give him the confidence he needs. So we will be using the All About Reading level 3 for reading, and that is the student book. I've put it into the binder. Here is the manual, and then the 2 readers that go along with it. So that's reading and spelling really quickly. And then for language arts, we tried Spectrum Language Arts last year and we didn't get too far with it. We just really didn't love it. It just wasn't teaching us anything. It was teaching us something, but it just didn't work for us. I didn't feel like it was really sitting great with him. So this year, we're going to try a little bit more of a gentle approach. We are going to try the language arts for today, grade 4. So we have the manual here where you have the lessons, and then we have the writing skills. So we have the book. So we're going to try that out, see how it works for us. And then we also have, for like language arts, grammar, we have editor-in-chief. So I have both of the books here. I have grades 2 to 3 and grades 3 to 4. I'm not sure where I'm going to start him. I might just do this with both of my boys, because my oldest just finished grade 3 and my younger boy in homeschool is going into grade 2. So I could just do this with them both, and then they'd be starting at the program at the beginning, and they'd be getting that editing and grammar and punctuation intact. But I did pick up both because I didn't know where I wanted them, And if we go through this one super fast, I can bump my oldest into this right away and probably bump even my second grader into the next one, because it'd be his next grade level would be here. So I'm excited about this. There also is like more editor-in-chief books after this. So if this works for us, that is great. This is supposed to be similar to Fix It Grammar. I was thinking of getting Fix It Grammar, but then saw this resource. It was like a little simpler. So I wanted to try that out. And then for science this year with my fourth grader, we are going to be using this Master Books Chemistry and Ecology. So it has properties of matter, properties of ecosystems, properties of atoms and molecules. And so you get, this is the like teacher guide, and then this is like the textbook like lessons in there. So we are going to be using that. I also will be doing another science with him for like a family subjects to just fill in the gaps and make sure that what they were learning in previous years, they're getting a little bit more information and a little bit more facts. So I will be sharing that in our family subjects. And then lastly, for like the main things is our math. So we use Jump Math. It doesn't say Jump Math here on this one for some reason. So we use Jump Math. They've changed the look of the workbooks, as you can see. So this is 4.2 and this is 4.1. And it's just black and white in here, gives you the examples and goes through it. But this has really worked for us, and I am able to jump in and help them when I need to. You can download the answer keys online for free. And I believe there is teacher manuals as well, but I haven't been able to find them for just individual use. But I haven't felt like I've needed it. And this is very open and go. And my kids can work on it pretty independently after about kindergarten, I find. And when I don't know what's going on with the math book, I just always ask my husband, how do we do this part? Can you please explain this to me and my kiddos, because I do not know what's going on. So we really like this. I am thinking about possibly adding the Good and the Beautiful in again to just kind of give them like some extra fun math and kind of get a different approach to teaching it. I love level 4 of the Good and the Beautiful because it starts doing like the video lessons. So I think that might be a really good resource, but I'm not sure yet. So then there is Bible, but we are going to be doing Bible together as a family this year. So stay tuned for family subjects, because that's where I'm going to be sharing the Bible curriculum that we are using this year. So that was everything for my fourth grader. For now, I will be adding in some social studies. I did share the ACES PACES Canadian Social Studies program. I need to look into that a little bit more, double check the age group. It is an elementary, but I'm not sure if it's like older elementary. So I'm going to check. I might start to incorporate that in this year, but I'm not worried about getting through it all. And then I'm going to be doing some more social studies with both of my boys as a family subject. So I will share that later this week. So that is everything for my fourth grader. That is all I have for you today. The grade 4 picks for this year, all of the basics, and I will be sharing more for family subjects as well later in the week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here in my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So definitely stick around. I would love to have you here, and hopefully we can inspire you along the way. And come back tomorrow for grade 2 curriculum picks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.